Hello students, in this lecture we will continue integration by parts. This is the most ultimate form of the questions in integration. So in this we integrate any question by making it two parts. So the formula is integration of u into v dx is equal to u into integration of v dx minus integration derivative of u into integration of v dx. Another way to memorize this formula, consider u as first, v as second, then formula becomes integration of first into second dx is equal to the first into integration of second minus integration differentiation of first into integration of second. Okay. What will be the first function and what will be the second function? For that, we have eyelet tool. So eyelet tool is liet. Word liet known as eyelet tool here. L for logarithmic function, examples log x, log sin x, etc. I for inverse trigonometric function, sin inverse x, tan inverse x, cos inverse x. A for algebraic function x, all algebraic polynomials, x cube plus 2x. Okay. Constant function also considered as algebraic function, one, especially one number. T for trigonometric function, sin x, tan x, sec x. Okay. E exponential function, e power x, 2 power x, a power x, 5 power x. So whichever comes first will be the first and which will come second will be the second function. Here three results is also utilized in this exercise 3.3. How you memorize this? For memorization of these three results, you have learned these three results first, which is used in exercise 3.2b. 1 upon under root a square minus x square is sin inverse x by a. You know that differentiation of sin inverse x is 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. Okay, similarly 1 upon under root a square minus x square dx is sin inverse x by a. Next remaining two types, this and this, utilize with log. Okay, these three results in exercise 3.2b. For in this exercise, under root a square minus x square dx, under root x square plus a square dx, under root x square minus a square dx, there are two parts. First part is given function multiplying with x by 2, right? X by 2 into root of the same quantity, x by 2 into the root of the same quantity, x by 2 into the root of the same quantity in each formula. In second part, a square by 2 into the formula applying previous exercise. 1 upon under root a square minus x square, sin inverse x by a. Same thing in next third. So for this memorization, you have learned first these three results. Okay. Let us start the derivation of these three results. Out of these three, only one we have derived here. Suppose integration of under root x square minus a square dx. Actually, derivation of this obtained by the integration by parts, but here only one function is given, under root x square minus a square dx. So take another number multiplying by 1. Under root x square minus a square take as first and 1 is second. Under root x square minus a square is u and 1 is second. According to the liet word, algebraic part and under root x square minus a square is again algebraic part, but integration of under root x square minus a square is not possible directly. So take it first and 1 is second. Applying u into v rule, u integration of v for 1. Similarly, in second part, derivative of first into integration of second. Differentiation of under root, you got 2 under root x square minus a square, applying chain rule, into 2. Integration of 1 dx is x. After calculation, you got x square upon under root x square minus a square. Make little adjustment, adding a square and subtracting a square. X square minus a square plus a square. Make it into two parts, x square minus a square upon the denominator, a square upon the denominator. Under root x square upon x square minus a square upon under root x square minus a square convert to under root x square minus a square. By using a upon under root a is under root a, okay? A upon under root a is under root a. Here integration of first is same as given integration, that is I, and integration of second, x is a square is common, integration of 1 upon under root x square minus a square. This is the type of the problem in exercise 3.2. Utilize the formula log of x plus under root x square minus a square. I shift to the left side 2i, and finally divide by 2 in complete equation. You got required result. Okay. Let us start some problems in this exercise. Integration of x square cos inverse x dx. According to the Liet word, inverse trigonometric function comes to the first, and here x square is algebraic, comes to the second in Liet. So cos inverse x is first, x square is second. Formulate it first into integration of second minus integration derivative of first integration of second, okay? D by dx of cos inverse x is minus 1 upon under root 1 minus x square, and integration of x square is x cube by 3. Substitute here under root 1 minus x square as t. Then 1 minus x square becomes t square, and x square is 1 minus t square. Differentiate both the side. Got x dx is equal to minus t dt. Then given integration line, this substitution actually put in integral part, not in both, okay? Only integrand part. X cube by 3 into cos inverse x plus 1 by 3, 1 minus t square into minus t dt, t cancel out, you got you got integration of 1 minus t square dt. After integration of 1 is t, integration of t square is t cube by 3. Substitute values of t. T is under root 1 minus x square in both place. T cube means 1 minus x square power 3 by 2, because of t is under root 1 minus x square. Same type another question. Here take x into cos cube x dx. According to the rule Liet word, algebraic number x consider as first, cos cube trigonometric consider as second, but you know that integration of cos cube is not possible directly. So cos cube obtained by cos 3 theta formula. Cos 3 theta is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. So 4 cos cube theta is cos 3 theta plus 3 cos theta cos cube theta whole divided by 4. So in the place of cos cube x, you can write cos 3x plus 3 cos x dx. Now formulate it. X is first, cos 3x plus 3 cos x is second, x is first, and cos 3x plus 3 cos x is second. Formulate it. 1 by 4 into the first means x, integration of cos 3x plus 3 cos x dx. In second part, 1 by 4 is number in write both parts 1 by 4. In second part, d by dx of first into integration of second. D by dx of x becomes 1, and integration of cos 3x is sin 3x upon 3. Integration of cos x is sin x. Okay. Applying again integration of both numbers, sin 3x upon 3, sin 3 sin x. Sin 3x upon 3 and into 3 sin x. Again integrate it. You know that integration of sin is in negative. Cos 3x upon 3. After calculation you got the required result. Sin 3x upon 3. Let us take another problem. X into sin 2x into sin 5x. In by parts problems, only two functions should be there. But here, multiplication of three functions. X into sin 2x into cos 5x. So, applying here d factorization formula. 2 sin a sin b, 2 cos a cos b, 2 sin a cos b, 2 cos a sin b. There are 4 type formulae. Out of that, only utilize here 2 cos a sin b. You know that 2 cos a sin b means sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. Sin a plus b, that means 5x 2x 7x, and a minus b 5x minus 2x is 3x. This complete bracket 7x minus sin 7x minus sin 3x taken as second, x is first. Okay, formulate it. First into integration of second minus half integration d by dx of first and integration of second. Integration of sin 7x minus sin 3x dx. Integration of sin 7x. Integration of sin 7x is minus cos 7x upon 7. And integration of sin 3x is minus cos 3x upon 3. So, minus minus is positive here. In similarly, second part, and again integrate all numbers. Okay. In after integration, you got required result. Last problem for this exercise, this lecture. Integration of cos cubic root of x. Okay, cos cubic root of x dx. Cubic root of x consider as t, then x is equal to t cube. Derivative of x dx. Dx is equal to 3 t square dt. So put these values. You got 3 into t square cos t dt. Take t square as u and cos t as v. U into v rule. 3 into u integration of v. V means cos t dt. Similarly, in second part, differentiation of first and integration of second. Integration of cos t is sin t, and derivative of t square is 2t. You obtain next step t into sin t. Again applying integration by parts, u into v rule. Okay, applying again same formula, u into v rule. T as u, sin t as v. Formulate it. Minus 6 into u integration of v plus 6 because of in formula here negative, but in the problem here negative, minus minus positive. Okay. In second part, integration of d by dt of t and integration of sin t dt. Integration of sin t is minus cos t. Same in second part. Integration of sin t is minus cos t. And next step, integration of cos t, right, sin t. Finally, substitute the value of t. T means cubic root of x. Put all position of t, cubic root of x. Okay.